Thank you. Sir. The camera.
Huh? No. We have got media.
Sure. Thank you. Ma'am, camera.
Where are they? And now are you smiling with it? Look like you're a feminist. It's happening. Proud of the fact that you are. Okay, now yeah.
I will be in the picture, Ruchi. Oh, yeah. Come in the photo. I'll take the photo. Be in the picture.
मेरे साथ मिलो यार ये मैं बड़े सालों के बाद मिला हूं दोनों देंगे थैंक यू love you
So, can you tell us quickly?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll just pretend I've seen the movie.
Yes. So, how do you like it?
Oh, the movie was fantastic. I think kids are going to have a great time. They loved it, and I love that Salman is playing Chota Hanuman because he's like that in real life too. And I love Valmiki ji, Javed uncle.
I mean, I'm firstly in shock that Ruchi has made an animated film. It is so difficult to make an animated movie, and she's done such a good job with it. Hanuman is adorable. Adorable. Even the child voicing him, the voice is just really, really nice. And it's great fun to have all these actors and, you know, doing parts. And my dad is doing Valmiki. So it was really fun to guess who's playing who in the film. And it's a fun experience. I mean, like, kids are going to love it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. It's very nice. I mean, I'm really happy that I love animated films, and that I'm happy that my friend Ruchi has actually made one. It's quite shocking to all of us. It's so difficult to make an animated movie. It's very nice. Hanuman is adorable. All the actors playing parts are very nice. From Salman Khan to Chunky Pandey to Garina Tandon. My dad is doing Valmiki, so it's great fun to watch it, and I think kids are going to love it.
और भी इस तरह की एनिमेटेड मूवी बन चुकी है इसके पहले भी देखा जाए तो इसमें क्या खास बात है क्या अलग है और
पहली बात तो ये है कि मेरे दोस्त ने बनाई है तो आई जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई थिंक हनुमान इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कैरेक्टर्स सो फॉर मी इट्स हनुमान
So now, do I speak?
Yeah.
Who do I speak to?
हां मैं वापस आता हूं बड़ी वाली
So it's amazing to see great animation films being made in India. It's very important for kids to get these films. Not only kids, even as adults, we love to see this film. Especially Hanuman, such an interesting character in the film. The film has been portrayed in such an amazing way. The music is amazing. The light, the sound, everything is kick-ass. And Ruchi and Raj Films, all the best to them for the film.
I love the film. I loved it. I mean, I literally felt I was a kid again. Really enjoyed myself. And it was very, very, very sweetly made. And I love Hanuman. I love the bee. I love most of it. It's fab. I think the children are going to love it.
मैडम आपके लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट में मैडम आप बी राइट राइट लेफ्ट में स्ट्रेट यार मैम ये भी राइट में देखिए मैम मैम ये
Thank you.
बहुत पसंद आई. वेरी one sec. Just hold my hand. बहुत पसंद आई. इनफैक्ट हर कोई ये फिल्म देखकर कुछ अलग लेकर जाता है. मेरा बेटा कुछ अलग लेकर जाएगा, मैं कुछ अलग लेकर जाऊंगी. बहुत मज़ा आया. बहुत अच्छी एनिमेशन थी. बहुत इंडियरिंग कैरेक्टर्स थे. और जिस तरीके से बच्चों के लिए ये कहानी अनफोल्ड हुई, बहुत अच्छा. बहुत और सही, मतलब एक बहुत सही विषय चुन के एक बहुत सही कैरेक्टर पर फिल्म बनी. बहुत अच्छी. मैं उस वक्त श्रीलंका ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, सो आई डोंट नो व्हेदर आई गेट टू सी.
Thank you so much.
It's a cute movie. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and so did my little daughter. It's very cute because it talks so much about our mythology, and at the same time the characters speak today's language and they look beautiful. All the characters are so live, and history or the mythology is being told in a very witty and modern way. We enjoyed the film. It's a must watch. Cheers to Ruchi, and Ruchi has done a marvelous job, and one was waiting for a new creation from her, and this is a big surprise. So kudos to Ruchi. We're going to win.
And there's a wild intellectual voice, and this is a group of these kids. Ayan, Ahan, Riyad, Karan, they're all coming.
Wish Ruchi all the best for the film. I thought it was very adorable. Thank you.
I think it was a great film, lot of fun, great story. I think what they thought, it was like a prequel to Ramayana. So very, very interesting. Really enjoyed it.
In India.
I think उस मामले में this is a very big step, and it's a great step because इसकी quality is like any international movie, and mythology is from our country, so it should be made in Hindi. It was superb, outstanding. It's her first film, and I think she's outdone herself. Good luck to both the teams.
बहुत पसंद आई मुझे. हम लोग अभी ऐसे अंदर थोड़ा चिल्ला रहे थे. आई एम सो हैप्पी. एक एनिमेशन की अलग स्पेस बन रही है हमारे देश में. आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इट्स सच अ नाइस लाइट हार्टेड फिल्म. यार, प्लीज, आई रियली होप everybody comes and enjoys this. It's just a fun film. That's it. And it's got great voices, great cast, and there are some surprises that you will see. Sneha Kalwankar is acting in it. Hussain Dalal, Kunal Khemu. I mean, these guys have really obviously all the other voices you will know. Javed Saab, Salman Khan. Yeah, brilliant. It's nice. Yeah, जी. Brilliant. Yeah. I mean, Ruchi I've known for a long time, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy for her direction in this film. And मुझे समझ में नहीं आता animation कैसे direct, because it's really hard. It's so much. I mean, it's a whole another world altogether. So, good job. Yeah. Good job.
Just a quick this has been an Indian product, and we see more of Hollywood animated films. So what do you think, how the film was pleased?
You want me to compare?
Yes.
I think technologically, we have to go a long way and miles, but that's a start. There's a difference being made in this film, and there's something being told. The story is good, the actors are good, the animation is there, and it's going to get even better and better, because अगर ये नहीं निकलेगा तो उसके ऊपर और नहीं निकलेगा, उसके ऊपर और नहीं निकलेगा. I think it's और एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहिए, और मज़ा करना चाहिए. It's otherwise there won't be progress. So
आपकी upcoming projects?
अभी इसका टाइम है.
अच्छा, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के साथ जो मैच है,
आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. मैंने अपना बुक कर लिया है सब. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
एक बात बता दूँ, बड़े इनका दिल बहुत बड़ा है.
मेरा दिल बहुत बड़ा है, पागल.
आई लव अली फजल. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
In fact, Tahir, who's one of the producers, and Sarika, they called me, and I'd known about the film for a while, and I hadn't actually expected anything like this, and it's a lot of fun. It's very the use of actors, you know, the voices have been used really well. They've become the characters, and the little Hanuman is too adorable. I loved it. I mean, honestly, see, the level of animation is very different. The kind of that only comes from the kind of budget they have in Hollywood. So I don't think it's a really fair comparison. You have to see it in context. And in India, I honestly haven't. Although I love animation films, I haven't seen a lot of animation films made in the country. But this one definitely is. Also, there is, you know, the sense of mythology and the way you tell the story, you know, for the kids. I think it's really well placed like that. So I think it's a very nice film to go watch. It's a very easy film. The use of actors and music, as I said, is really good in the film. And I'm very excited. Yeah, I really hope. I wish Ruchi, you know, all the luck, and I hope the film really does well and everyone goes to watch it. July में जगह है, hopefully, and then I'd done a show for Amazon Prime that's coming out Inside Edge, Excel के साथ, और 2 British film किया है, वो इस साल है कभी, but I don't know when exactly it's coming out. So हाँ यार, to be honest, I mean, I don't really follow a lot of cricket. I had to follow it when I was doing Inside Edge or Power Play, we were calling it earlier, because I had to. But I don't really. I mean, it might be nice. I did follow some of the IPL because Bombay बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा था, Calcutta KKR बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा था. But yeah, we'll see. Whoever wins, may the best win. Thank you.